Imagine waking up to the vibrant colors and refreshing scent of citrus fruits right in your backyard. The aesthetic allure, daily fresh produce, and the potential for a healthier lifestyle are undeniable benefits of growing citrus trees. Growing your own citrus trees can be a rewarding and fruitful endeavor. Now, growing citrus trees might seem daunting, but with the right guidance, you can cultivate your citrus grove with ease. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Firstly, choosing the right type of citrus tree for your climate is paramount. While lemons and limes prefer moderate climates, oranges and grapefruits can stand a bit more heat. Next, find a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Citrus trees love the sunshine and don't fare well in waterlogged conditions. Then comes planting. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball and just as deep. Place your tree in the hole, backfill with soil, and gently tamp down to remove any air pockets. Once your tree is planted, watering is key. Water deeply once a week, but remember, citrus trees don't like to sit in water, so let the soil dry out between waterings. Pruning is the next step. Remove any dead or diseased branches to keep your tree healthy and encourage new growth. Lastly, keep an eye out for pests. Aphids, citrus leaf miners, and scale insects can all harm your tree. If you spot any, treat with a natural pesticide or introduce beneficial insects. With patience and care, you will soon have a thriving citrus grove in your own backyard. We hope you found this guide helpful as you embark on your citrus growing journey. We invite you to be part of our Green Thumb community. Show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to share your citrus tree stories in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your triumphs, challenges, and the joy of your first homegrown citrus fruit. Remember, every like, subscribe, and comment helps us to continue providing useful gardening guides. Happy gardening!